In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted contacts from your Android phone. So if you've accidentally deleted your contacts, I'm going to show you two ways on how to recover them. Now, the first step is you need to go and open the Contacts app on your phone. You can then click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side and click on Recycle Bin. Now, sometimes before the contacts are permanently deleted, they'll end up in the recycle bin here. So if you see your contacts, just click on Select. You could then go and select the contacts and click on Restore All in the bottom left hand side. As you can see, that will restore the contacts onto your phone. If that's not working, I'm going to show you another method on how to do this as well. So go and open up your settings from your Android. Scroll down this page until you see Google and click on this. Now click on your Google account at the top of the page and select Manage your Google account. Now scroll down and click on People and Sharing. Scroll down and click on Contacts. Click on the navigation bar in the top left hand side and click on Bin. Now if you've deleted the contacts and they were in your Google account, then they may also end up in this recycle bin here. Now all you need to do is go and select the contacts that you want to recover, and then you can press the recover button in the top right hand side. Once they've been restored, you can head back over to the home screen and open your contacts, and you should now be able to see all of your recovered contacts.